Okay, guys, my name is Yasser Alhayat. I am the presenter today. So, who will
What is different about language learning and language acquisition?
language acquisition is uh, the unconscious process, language learning process when people learn language by direct interaction and real communication. This usually happens to children when they learn their first language. While language learning, language learning is we learn language or we learn language consciously in the class. It focusing on grammar and memorizing vocabulary, something like that. Yes.
In your opinion, what is interlanguage?
Interlanguage. Interlanguage, in my opinion, is the temporary language that the second language learner use when they like mix of first language and second language, but in their own style. Is it okay? Uh, who's next?
So, what is the difference between second language acquisition and foreign language acquisition?
Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition is a language when we learn the language in the country that use that language in daily life. For example, we learn English in country like UK or USA. While sorry, sorry,
Foreign language.
foreign language. Foreign language is we use or we learn language in any country that not use that language in real communication or in daily life. For example, do you need example?
Yeah, sure.
For example, we learn Japanese in Indonesia.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What do you call people who can speak two languages?
Sorry.
What do you call people who can speak two languages?
Or we can say call people be bilingual.
Bilingual.
Bilingual. Is it finished? Do you guys want to add the? I think 1 minute left.
Can you answer one more question?
I think yes.
What is intake?
Intake. Intake is input that we keep in long-term memories, like when we think sentence or vocabulary is important. So we will remember that. So we will hardly to forget it.
Oh, okay. So it is a type of input. It is a thing below input.
Uh, the next stage of input.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, 5 seconds left. Do you guys know my name? My name is Yasser.
I thought you were Galang.
No, you are Galang.
Oh yeah.
Thank you guys. Hello guys. What's up? It's okay.
You want a easy question or a hard question?
Absolutely easy question. Absolute. Okay guys, my name is Nasir Al-Hayat. So who's first?
Me first.
Okay.
My question is, can you explain what is transfer?
Transfer is we use the element from first language in second language. Do you need example? For example, when we speak in Indonesia, when we want to say aku ingin makan, in English we can say I want to eat. So it is the example of positive transfer. So okay.
My name is Hasana Daniela, and
Okay.
what is second language acquisition?
Second language acquisition is the study about how people learn second language after they good at their second first language. This is usually we learn language in a country that usually use that language in real communication, like UK or USA. Is it okay? Okay. Who's next?
What do you know about the difference between foreign language and second language?
Foreign language and second language. Foreign language is the language that we use or we learn in any country that doesn't use don't use that language. For example, we learn Arabic in Indonesia, so there are no many people that use Arabic in Indonesia, right? Second language is we learn or we use language in any country that use the language that we learn. For example, we learn English in native speaker English like UK or USA. Is it okay? Okay.
Can you explain to me what is the audiolingual method?
Audiolingual method is the method that focusing to listening and speaking. For example, when we hear someone saying a sentence or a word in English, we want to try saying it and repeat it the sentence again and again after we what's the word?
Maybe you can just give me an example.
Hard example of when I hear you say what's your name, or So I will repeat it that sentence that phrase. What sentence? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Until it keep in memory. So is it okay? Finish? Okay. You guys want to add some or one question?
I think I will ask you a question. What is interlanguage?
Interlanguage.
Can you give me some plan?
Oh, sorry, I cannot. I cannot answer your question.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Can you move the camera?
Thank you so much, guys. Hello guys, my name is Yasser Al Hayat. So Dupis, yeah. Yo, Dupis bro, Dupis, okay, Dupis, peace. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. My name is Yasser Al Hayat. So, who's first? Okay,
Can you explain to me about interlanguage?
interlanguage. In my understanding, interlanguage is a language that second language learner use when they learn second language. It can be mix of first language and second language, and their own speaking style. Like, do you need example? For example, the mix of language like do you know Jaxel? Jaxel language. It's like I think it's interlanguage. Is it finished? Who's next? Okay.
Explain me about second language acquisition.
Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition is the field that study about how people learn language, learn their second language after they good at their first language. For example, we as Indonesian people want to try learn English. So it's second language acquisition. Is it finished?
Thank you.
Who's next? Okay, I'll.
So explain to me about audiolingual.
Audiolingual method. In my understanding, based on my understanding, audiolingual method is focus on listening and speaking. Like we hear someone say something, so we try to say what people that person say, and repeat it again and again after we. I don't know the words, the word. So
I know what you mean.
I think the sentence keep in our memory. Okay, is it finish?
That's enough.
Alright.
One.
Can you tell me the difference between language learning and language acquisition?
So I will explain about language acquisition. Language acquisition is the unconscious and unconscious language learning process. When people, when they were child, they learn language in direct interaction and real communication by real and by by hear and by talk to other people. So their brain is keep the language in long term memory, so they can they can they become can speak that language. Language learning is conscious process and formal process, language process that usually take in class. It emphasizes on memorization vocabularies, grammatical, and structure sentences.
Okay, one last rotation.
Thank you so much, guys. Hello guys, assalamualaikum.
Belum.
Yes, sir.
So stop accessing your handphone. Yeah, done. Okay. Alright, last round. Presenter, you can go.
Alright guys, my name is Yasser Al Hayat. So who's first?
Yeah. No, you raise your hand. No, you raise your hand.
No, no, no. It's good.
No
Yeah,
man first.
just go. Okay.
Okay. Did you can tell me about output?
Sorry.
Output.
Output. Output is the language that we produce, like what the language that we say or we write on paper. I think that's all. You need so Kamila, sorry, Hanifah or Reza.
Yes. Here's one question. Can you explain to me the transfer, the negative transfer and the positive transfer?
Oh, negative transfer. Negative transfer is
Oh, that's your question.
sorry.
That's your question. Can you explain to me what is language acquisition?
Language acquisition. Second language. Language acquisition. Okay.
Language acquisition.
Language acquisition is unconscious language learning process. When they were child, they learn language by direct interaction and real communication. It can from by hearing or talking with other people. Yes, I think that's all.
So it happens naturally. It happens naturally.
Yes, it happens natural.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about positive and negative transfer?
Positive and negative transfer. Okay, positive transfer is when the element of first language and second language is similar. Do you need example? Example. Okay. For example, in Indonesia we say aku mau makan, but when we learn English, we say I want to eat. So the structure is the same, right? So it can help us to develop our language learning, something like that. So negative transfer when the element of first language and second language is different. For example, when in Indonesia we say mobil merah, but in English we cannot say car red. So we can say red car. So do you need addition? So do you guys have more questions? What do you think?
Time left?
I don't know.
No,
Because
we have 4 minutes.
I think one minute left. Because I don't stop the camera.
Yeah, I forget about that.
So I don't know.
You can calculate it like 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. So yeah, it's 16.
Yeah, it's already 25 minutes.
Damn. Okay.
Okay. Chill, bro. Thank you guys.